Hey, good afternoon. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. If this video is helpful, send me them wonderful, nice comments that you always do. Like my videos, but most of all, subscribe and share my videos. Today I'm going to show you the difference between a limited slip and a without limited slip Jeep Grand Cherokee front axle. And I installed this axle and it kept popping out, and I should have compared the two. I kind of think it's kind of stupid that I didn't, but we're only human and we make mistakes. So this is the difference: with limited slip, without limited slip. Obviously that's never going to stay in there. My bad. So hopefully that helps you guys. That was the driver's side axle that I was working on. The other ends are identical, and they will fit right in there. I ended up taking the VIN number and calling the dealership, Jeep dealership, and they told me that mine was a non-limited slip, and I assumed because it was all-wheel drive that it was a limited slip system, but I was mistaken. I make mistakes, but hopefully that video was helpful. Real quick, if you want to reach out to me, hit me up on Clay's AC and Auto Repair on the Facebook. If I can answer your question, I certainly will. Remember, you can't break what's already broken, and you can't fix it if you don't try. So subscribe, share my videos. Have a great day. God bless.